What is this box? The box of gold.
You would love it, but I am not a duck. I hate it.
And once again, we are back. Today is the next day, third day. And last night it got dark too quick as always, but she's looking beautiful. So today we're gonna get the side skirt on because it's cracked and broken here. So I want to get that fitted today, and hopefully it shouldn't be too big of a job. Today is a beautiful day. Sunshine is shining. She's looking pretty. Look at it. Gorgeous. I have all the tools ready as always. Before I start the video, I always get everything ready so I don't have to waste time. And I don't know how you start this job. I think you will have to take the rubber seal out, and then you have to lift this up. I know I have to take the wheel out. I think there's two wee fixed points here. So there's a wee plastic fixtures that we have to take out. Sometimes they're quite hard, so this one here, what you have to do is get your wee flathead, pull it out a tiny bit, then you get this tool, which is pretty good, and then you pull. It didn't break it. Quite a few in the bottom. And I also removed, there was like a plastic trim here, there was a couple screws, and then there was like a rubber seal goes around here, which was held by these, so I'm gonna have to take that one out obviously. And then there's a couple of these screws which I have already loosened. But there is a wee rivet here. I need to drill that out. That's it. Ta-da! We have successfully removed it.
Oh, boys. Welcome to Northern Ireland. Absolute mayhem, eh? As soon as you start doing something, it does this to you. Oh well. It means time for some lunch.
So I cleaned up everything because everything was soaked, and now I'm ready to get this on first. Last night I did screw it on, but not properly because I couldn't get the access to the bottom bolts. So what I need to do now is screw this on first and then put the side skirt on. Okay, I have got lots of screws again. Let's see if this is any good. Trying to adjust the side wing, but what I have noticed now, there's a big lip, so that needs to move back a bit, even though around here it's actually really good. Over there it's not so good. 5mm or something, that's way off. Okay. So I've got this all clipped in, looking pretty good, and this side is looking good as well, nice and flush, pretty good gap all along here. Just a wee bit tighter here, but I can adjust that. Need to move that up anyway because this is horrendous. Take the side skirt off again. I had it all put back together just because the screws don't line up like this. Yeah, like that. So if I had it screwed as it is, but my line moved that way, so it's too far that way. So I have to drill the holes out slightly wider so I can actually fit this where I want it to be, not where it needs to be, or where it wants to be. Oh yeah, starting to look really good. Last night we spent a lot of time trying to get the side skirt replaced, and the first time we failed because it didn't line up properly, so we had to drill bigger holes. And look at that today. All this hard work is paying off. She's looking pretty, slightly different colors, but doesn't matter. She's looking class. And you were wondering, what is this box? The box of gold. Yeah. What's inside this box? It's a very crucial part for the car, and you would never guess. So, I'll show you now. What's in this golden box? Wheel arch liners. So yeah, they are so hard to get. Those are actually screwed to your front bumper, so when that gets pulled off, it pulls the wheel arch liners off. So any car that is hit from the front, the wheel arch liners usually get damaged as well. And the biggest problem is they're just literally a piece of plastic. They're not even that big or anything, but if you buy them from Jaguar, for one side, £750 for a single wheel arch liner, and that's why everybody's trying to get them second hand, because obviously you can get them a lot cheaper. So yeah, I got both of them for 300 quid. It does still sound a lot, and it's quite expensive. Oh, so we have came back to this wee workshop. Well, it's my mum's spare bedroom. This one is slightly damaged here, so what I need to do is plastic weld it. So I have bought a plastic welder, which was actually quite decent price. So these are the staples. I might do a wee demonstration, like a close-up. So this is the button you press. So press and hold it, and you'll see that should start glowing red. So what do? You press and hold it. So that's the way it comes out. And then you snip this off, and then you use like a solder tip to actually level it off so it's nice and smooth. So that's what it ended up looking like. I think it's safe to say it's pretty sturdy. So now we use this, flip them off, nice and flush. Another thing that came with this, it was this. So you put that in here like that, and then you melt them in. So I'm gonna go with the higher temperature. I'm gonna try to smoothen this out a bit. It's never gonna look like new, but it's not about making it look like new. It's about fixing it. And to be honest, I think it done a good job of fixing it. You're just gonna be the judge of that, but I honestly, look. So here we go. I'm gonna raise this baby up using 2 jacks. This one I had to buy. It's a lower profile one compared to that one. As you can see, I can actually use a marine ply to support the wee wheels. So when you lift the car, usually it shifts with the car. And this one I couldn't do that because it's a higher profile one. So I just used a bit of plastic. This is not ideal, but can't do anything else with that. I'm just gonna have to live with it. So I'm gonna raise this up, get the front 2 tires off, or wheels off, and do wheel arches. And it started to rain as always, but it's okay, we'll get this done. Let's get the security key. Let's fit this rare piece of gold in here. This is the one we repaired. It actually came out pretty good. Does it even fit? I haven't even tested. Getting all excited and don't even know if it fits. It should like, but I just don't know, do you? Oh no. Oh no, it does. Oh, that scared a bit. That scared me a bit. There's actually some screws from the previous wheel arch liner, so I need to get some tools. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously if you're a duck, you would love it, but I am not a duck. I hate it. Crazy out here, bros. Okay, this side is done. I'm happy with this side. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna go inside. I can't do this. I'm gonna get completely soaked. Yeah. And this is why it takes so long to get anything done. Every 5 minutes you're like getting soaked. And we wait. Okay, rain has completely stopped. So let's get this done. I'm gonna show you my 3D printed adapter for the MAF sensor. Looking good. You wouldn't even know. That's the box, and then this is where the washer fluid goes. This is, we obviously fitted that, and these are all the pipes we've done. Goes all the way around here, and that's it. So let's get this wheel arch on. And now that we've finished fitting the wheel arches, the sun came out. Of course, typical. I'm not complaining. It's nice to see the sun out. So there's in total 11 bolts holding this. All bolted down apart from here, and this I think you gotta fix the plastic fixture for that. So I'm gonna get that, and that's gonna be done. You're gonna get the wheels back on. All like 680 not different type in total, but there's about 12 different type, and this is the one I'm gonna use to push that in here. Like this. Nope. Plop. Here we go. Then do the same thing on the other side. We actually done it. We got the car to the level of getting it on the road. We have done the front bumper, we've done the side skirt, we've done the front fender, we've done the wheel arches, we've done the mass sensor. We've done so much. The biggest thing about hard work is rewards. So thank you guys, subscribe and follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.